If you are typing step-by-step instructions into a single chat window, you are doing unpaid administrative work for your AI. The standard chatbot ngahal requires constant supervision. You spend your day switching tabs, copying context, and pasting instructions just to keep the tool moving. Because this feedback loop is strictly sequential, your output is capped by how fast you can type the next instruction. In this setup, the human is the bottleneck. Relying on a single-threaded conversation is becoming the slow way to work. Production is moving toward autonomous agent fleets that can handle the administrative heavy lifting without you. Using these tools effectively requires a shift in how you see your role. You stop focusing on the execution of the task and start focusing on the orchestration of the resources. This shift is visible in desktop environments like the new OpenAI Codex app. Instead of a single prompt box, it uses goal mode. You describe a massive, open-ended problem and let the system determine the steps. It starts with an app shot. By hitting 2 keys, the system captures everything on your screen: the code, the visual layout, and the network logs, eliminating the need to manually explain the context. From there, the system spawns a chief of staff agent. Instead of waiting for your next command, this agent interviews you to build a comprehensive project plan. It pins your priorities and organizes the entire work structure into a sidebar, acting as the bridge between your high-level goal and the technical execution. The blank page problem disappears when your role moves towards executive delegation. With the plan in place, the Chief of Staff deploys a fleet of specialized sub-agents to work on different parts of the problem simultaneously. This moves the workflow into a multi-threaded worktree. One agent builds the backend, a second designs the interface, and a third monitors the network requests. They operate in parallel, solving distinct problems without waiting for each other to finish. This architecture also supports background automations. You can set a cadence for a fleet to triage your inbox every morning at 8 a.m. and update your project board while you are offline. Managing a fleet allows complex work to happen continuously, removing the limit of how much you can personally oversee in a single hour. Even with AI help, the feedback loop remains a friction point. Usually, you have to write out long explanations to get a designer or developer to change a single element on a page. Visual annotation removes that barrier. By clicking an element on your screen and typing a change, like "make this red," you send the exact code and visual context directly to an agent. The agent takes that specific data from the queue and implements the fix immediately. When feedback loops are this tight, the traditional technical hurdles of digital production start to lower. Technical execution is no longer the primary bottleneck for bringing an idea to life. As the cost of execution drops, the value shifts toward the person who can clearly direct the fleet. The job changes from performing the task to managing the system that achieves it. If you could hand off your most repetitive daily workflow to an agent fleet, which one would it be? Tell me in the comments.